Hello students, good morning. How are you all? Hope all are in good health. We are going to see now chapter 2, paragraph writing. Chapter 2, paragraph writing. So let us go through this. Paragraph writing is the art of the writing a few sentences on a particular theme. Remember that the sentences should be linked sequentially. Sequentially means one after the other. So dear students, we are going to see now what is paragraph writing. Now they sometimes they must have given us the theme. Okay, theme. Now here first theme is what? The onset of monsoon. Monsoon means the rainy season. So what happens in the rainy season? When is rainy season? Okay, when it comes, after which month, then how do you feel? Everything you have to write, but in sequentially. That means one after the other. Now see, first sentence we will go through. The model paragraph. The monsoon season begins from the month of June. It is that time of the year when we take out our rainwear, especially umbrella, and keep them ready. The first showers of rain bring freshness in the air. The air looks clean and the weather looks bright, and puddles of water are formed everywhere. The usually dry low-lying areas are now flowing with water. Flowing with water. The onset of monsoon gives everyone a relief from the summer heat and dust. So you have to write it in the few sentences, but it should be meaningful and it should be sequentially. Next, about the tree. What do you know about the tree? You know the tree gives us oxygen. There are one of the best forms of natural resources. You have to begin like this. Okay, now who are trees? Trees are our friends. We get good oxygen from them. We get fruits, flowers, wood, shelter. Okay, so likewise you have to write. Third is of braille. Braille is a writing system for the blind and visually impaired. It is traditionally written with the embossed paper. Okay, now braille is a writing. So how you will write, you have to see it. Now we will move to the model paragraph 4th. How to be a good reader. Children, do you want to be a good reader? Do you want to read good? Then you have to follow this. Okay, reading is the habit that we should develop. It is not easy to be a good reader. Some of us and end up by reading cartoons, comics, small jokes, and call ourselves with good reader. Okay, so if you want to be a good reader, what you have to do first? You have to practice every day. You have to read every day. Okay, you have to see the full stops, the commas, okay, the apostrophic words, then some more things. Okay, you have to see it, and according to that you have to read the paragraph. We'll move to the next paragraph. Now here are the paragraphs. Write an incident that you observed or that you did. Next, write a paragraph about your daydreams. Then here is write a paragraph about a journey in a boat, how you feel. Write a paragraph on money. Okay, so you will read it, go through this all passages. Okay, and here are the some themes they have given. Caring for our parents, protection of animals, Dhanchan, harmful effects of pollution, treating guests, then Gulliver in Lilliput, The Sky by Night, your favorite sports person, how can we reduce waste generation, the internet. Okay, here are some themes. So you have to prepare on the themes and how you have to write. Okay, one by one. So dear students, go through this and let us know how to write the paragraph. Thank you.